Making a flower pin using the long bar pin can be done in one of two ways. As we will show with the leather camellia design, you can use the sieve section to attach the flower to the pin by sewing through the holes. Thread up a single thread of similar colour with a knot on the end. We're using a buttonhole thread here as we're working with leather. Use a few stab stitches to anchor the thread to the flower's base, then placing the sieve where you want the pin to be, begin to stitch through the base and the holes of the sieve, working your way around until it all feels secure. Knot off your thread when you're ready and trim away any excess thread. Alternatively, if you are using a flower that has been built around a wire base, then you can use this as the attachment method and avoid sewing if you prefer. Weave the wire in through the holes, repositioning as you go and passing through as many as you can for security. Tuck in the end of the wire so it can't scratch anyone, and you're done. Alternatively, if you want to use a flower that's built on a wire but want to sew it onto the pin to be more secure, then we would suggest wrapping the wire around your finger and turning it perpendicular to the flower to make a solid little base, and then stitching that on through the sieve section of the pin.